Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain if you can use an Xbox controller without batteries. Yes, you absolutely can use your Xbox controller without any batteries inside, simply by connecting it with a USB cable. This direct connection ensures a constant power supply from your console or computer. It completely bypasses the need for disposable AA batteries or a rechargeable battery pack. This is a very reliable way to game, ensuring your controller stays powered on. To connect your controller, you will need the correct USB cable. For newer Xbox controllers, you will need a USB-C to USB-A cable, which is common for many modern devices. If you are using an older Xbox One controller, a micro USB cable is required instead. Always choose a cable that is capable of data transfer, not just power delivery. Many generic charging cables might not transmit the necessary data signals. A good length is typically 6 to 10 feet, providing ample range for comfortable play. If you own an Xbox Play and Charge kit, its included USB cable is perfect for wired play. This cable allows your controller to function perfectly, even if you remove the rechargeable battery pack entirely, or if it is completely drained. The cable itself delivers all the power and data the controller needs directly from your Xbox console or computer. It essentially transforms your wireless controller into a fully wired one, offering consistent performance without relying on any internal power source. Connecting your battery-free Xbox controller to a personal computer is very straightforward. Simply plug the correct USB cable into your controller and then into an available USB port on your PC. Most Windows operating systems will instantly detect the controller and install the required drivers automatically, without any user input. This setup provides an extremely reliable and low-latency gaming experience, perfect for competitive play or just enjoying your favorite titles on a larger screen without any power concerns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.